How do you create your own reality? By having thoughts that you think. The question is, and this is the question that we're really wanting to put to you, to all of you, are the thoughts you think thoughts that you're thinking because you're the creator of your own experience, or the thoughts that you think reactionary thoughts because somebody else is having an experience that you're observing and you're having a knee-jerk reaction to what's going on? Because that's a big question. If you are reacting, then you have no control. You're like a cork bobbing on a raging sea. You have no control at all. So what would we do? We'd put ourselves in bed tonight and we'd say, I am the creator of my own reality, and I like that. And then we would say to ourselves, and as I sleep tonight, momentum is going to subside, because my thoughts are not going to be active, and law of attraction is not going to be reacting to my thoughts. However, law of attraction is going to continue to react to the thoughts of my inner being, who never sleeps. So the potential of me waking up in the morning, the probability of me waking up in the morning, and the thoughts of my inner being about everything I want being dominant, very good possibility of that. In fact, it's a slam dunk. It's a sure thing. When I wake up in the morning, I'm going to feel the movement of what my inner being knows, and my beliefs are going to challenge it. But each time a belief challenges the path that my inner being has laid out for me to the success of joy that I seek, I'll feel some soft negative emotion. And when I feel it, I can adjust my thought right then and there. And if you will do that tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, it won't be 30 days before you will have bridged your beliefs to be more in harmony with what your inner being knows to be.